Hey guys! Welcome to Polish Your English with Pau. My name is Paulina, and in this grammar video we're going to learn how to use the past perfect simple. It's sometimes easier to understand when we use the past perfect if we compare it to the past simple. In this video, we will look at when we use the past perfect and how we make sentences in the past perfect. So, when do we use the past perfect? Look at the conversation and put the events on the timeline. First, I missed school, then had to do lots of homework. Everyone had finished eating when I got late. The events in the conversation are not consecutive. Look. The order on the timeline is not the same one as the speaker says or the speaker uses. Here, the girl focuses the story at this point in time and then mentions something which happened before. So we've got the past of the past. And the same happens here. We use the past perfect for the action furthest in the past. Something to think about. Look at the continuation of the conversation. Notice how we do not continue talking in the past perfect simple after the first sentence because the listener now knows what time period the speaker is referring to. The story continues in the past simple tense. Now, how do we form sentences in the past perfect? Look at the examples and complete the gaps with these words. Remember that we commonly use contractions, for example, hadn't or d. Adverbs of time, such as already, just, ever, never, always come before the past participle. For example, everyone had already finished eating. And now it's time to practice. Use the past simple or the past perfect simple in these gaps. Let's do the first one together. I banana Stella when she banana through the door. I had just called Stella, or I'd just called Stella when she walked through the door. Let's do one more together. Christopher banana, Jack a letter, and then banana him the week after. So, which action happened first? Christopher wrote the letter. So, Christopher wrote the letter and then visited him in the week after. The events are in order, so we don't need to use the past perfect simple. And now have a look at sentences 3 to 6. Work on them on your own Pause the video, otherwise I'll tell you the answers in 10 seconds. Okay, it was the most beautiful place they had ever seen. I read the book a year ago and watched the film last Friday. The events are in order here. I knew the plot because I had already read the book. And William brought flowers because his grandmother was or had been ill. Here we don't know the context, that's why 2 options are possible. And that's everything for today. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask them in class. Please leave me a thumbs up and a nice comment, and well, I'll see you in class. Bye!